Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look today again on the Great British Pound, because the gold market mostly stands flat, while on the gold market, on the Great British Pound right now we have some tricky moment. So yesterday we talked about the OP target on the daily chart. Although we agree with the idea that indeed market stands in really straightforward downward action, it's a real acceleration with, and let's suggest it further downward continuation. Next target, by the way, it's XOP is in 23.40 approximately, right here. Yesterday, you probably heard about the rumors in the news that Theresa May could lift its post of the Prime Minister today and tomorrow, so could be retired from this post, and this also makes the pressure on the Great British Pound. And you can see as a result here, market is passing through the OP with no significant respect. On the intraday charts, we see minor pause has been done, but currently market is turning lower. In general, in the long-term perspective, we are watching for a 113 target on the Great British Pound. This is a major destination point on the monthly weekly chart. But currently, we need to be careful with the patterns that we have on intraday charts, because this will be the clue for understanding on the further price action. So if market will show no response on these patterns that are forming right now on intraday charts, it means that we could search chance to go short again and take in the short position, while upward reaction based on the patterns gives us necessary retracement. But currently, guys, I start to have some doubts on the perspective of the deep retracement and getting free bread and butter sell here. So it seems that only minor pullback is possible currently on the cable. So take a look actually what we have. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you see this minor response that has been done as an XOP here, as an OP on the daily. That stands in the same target. So just minor pullback, and market has erased this reaction and turnings down. Meantime, on the hourly chart, we have a kind of the godless triple three drive pattern is forming. So actually that's the first drive, second stands 127, and the first, third drive will stands in the crossing on the 1618 and 127. So this is actually the last pattern that could trigger at least some reaction on the targets that we have. Usually when the harmonic patterns fails, they fails miserably. It means that market shows the acceleration in the direction of the failure. So it means that market will break this area down, breaking the 26 through the 26 area and starting acceleration down. It means that downward action probably will continue. The reaction here, if the drive will starts to work, well, we know that the target should be top between the second and third drives, so it should be some moderate retracement here could start. But maybe this will be just minor harmonic retracement. Anyway, now is the question whether it will be any reaction here at all. So, and that's the pattern that we should keep an eye on today. I'm decided to prepare this video because it could be a bit confusing that we see the market is passing through the OP and it's unclear what to do. Either we need to go short again, or we need to wait a bit and see whether some reaction will follow or not. Well, for the Great British Pound, it is a relatively simple moment exists that here, guys, actually market has no barriers. It is free space. So the weekly oversold stands approximately around these lows. We have no fib levels. We have no meaningful extensions in this area. It means that if market will break through the 26 and erase the three drive pattern that's forming on the hourly chart, it means that it will continue to move down. So, and that is the major indicator that we should use in today's session. So keep an eye on this three drive. It will either work, it shows the meaningful retracement. In this case, we turn back to idea of the possible short taking and some pullback and some bearish continuation pattern, or breakout on 126, continuation down, and the raising of the three drive will mean that we are going lower and we could search chance to go short again. So that's minor detail that we have right now on the cable.